was a conclusion of a landmark trial in Brazil. The Supreme Court sentenced Jair Bolsonaro to 27 years in prison for plotting to overthrow his successor and rival, Luiz Inácio da Silva, after his 2022 election defeat. It's one of Brazil's biggest trials in recent years. Much of the left saw it as a vital test for the country's democracy, while some on the right thought it was a witch hunt. The trial has also led to a crisis in relations with longtime ally, the United States. Tim Vickery reports.
The battleground now will be inside Brazil's Congress, where the right wing are strong and they are formulating a project for an amnesty. Now, the Supreme Court, giving the sentence today, already made it very, very clear that any kind of amnesty or pardon for crimes against democracy cannot happen because it's unconstitutional. That won't stop the move in Congress. So that's a battleground. In terms of the general population, I think many are quite tired of the polarization. Opinion polls would seem to show a majority in favor of the conviction of Bolsonaro, but never underestimate the force of his support. Giving evidence a few months ago in this very case, Bolsonaro described those of his supporters involved in the riots on the 8th of January 2023 as a bunch of crazies. Never really sure how far they can go. A few days before January the 8th, there was a plot to explode Brasilia Airport from some of his supporters. So I think people will await events over the next few days with a certain dose of tension. This happened on the 11th of September. 52 years to the day since the US-backed coup in Chile that brought President Pinochet to power. A few years before that, there was a coup in Brazil in 1964 that carried on until the mid-80s. The judges, all in their lifetime, and that was something they really stressed. They have the living experience of dictatorship. They wanted to send a strong message in their sentences that Brazil should not suffer any more attempted coup d'etat.